once be reviewing this beautiful ceiling light fan that I got. It's a great product. It does a fan, it does a light, so really nice. You can have just the fan on or just the light on, or both, as you can see. So really nice. It has this nice glass leaves around, so really very beautiful, super easy to install, and super easy to work. It comes with a remote, so you can control everything. You can turn it on and off. You can turn off just the light, turn it on. The fan, it goes up to 6 speeds. It does reverse. So, in the winter months and the summer months, you could change the way that the blades go. So that's really nice. You can dim it also. So you can dim, lower or higher the bulbs, depending on the bulbs that you have. These don't dim too much. They're more like the yellow tone-ish ones, but you could put other dimmable light bulbs in there. It does have a timer too. You can do 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and that's it. And the speed, this is at 1 speed. You can go up to like 6 speeds. Really great. Highly recommend it. It's a great fan. And as you can see, it's super quiet even on fast speed. So highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.